Alright, this is a test to see if my mic works properly. I don't know. I just have to end the recording. Let's just go through this level and see if it works. Okay, so I'm gonna be commentating over nothing because I have no friends. Well, I do have friends, but like they don't exist right now. Andrew gone, Zayden gone, Colin gone, Polly gone. Got nobody with me right now. So yep. Okay. Oh, did you grab my Magnum, you fucking bitch? He grabbed my Magnum. Or not my Magnum, my pistol. Whatever, I'll just grab an axe. It's fine, it's fine. Okay. Let's go. Let's go look around. Oh. Zombies. Who could have guessed in a zombie game there to be zombies? Okay. That was easy enough. Playing on normal mode, so it's not really hard. Oh, he died right before I could hit him. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Okay. Oh, that was nice. That was sick. Oh. Oh. There we go. Alright. Oh!
Second pistol.
Oh, definitely. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay. I think Ellis dropped this. Oh my god. Did I drop my pistol? I can't really drop a pistol. That's my... Like, can't really drop.
Look here.
It's a Magnum. I don't want that. I want me a pistol. A real person's weapon. What the hell? That's the thing. Why am I using this? No, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Okay. I almost got hit off, but I didn't because I am Sigma. Oh, I'm getting hit off, alright. No, I'm being hit off. Oh, wait. Let's go. I did most of the work. Come on, you gotta admit, guys. I did all the work.
All these zombies should help you swallow.
Shut the hell up, coach. Nobody asked for your input.
A little pick me up.
Boom.
Reloading.
Okay. Nothing. Nada. Alright, so that was a big waste of time. Why are we even here? There's not even really even a story. We just came here out of nowhere. Alright, okay. I forgot to mention this is also a freaking screen test to see if this would really look good on YouTube. I'm not sure. It could look good on YouTube, but we only have to upload it to find out. Oh, I shot the shot. I shot the... Oh, crap. Alright. Okay, good. We're doing good. Oh, shoot. Jockey. Jockey. There's a jockey. I'm being surrounded. I wish I had an axe on me right now. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna run. I don't really care about my friends. They're not real. I don't have friends. Okay. Alright. Let's go.
We got a safe house.
Okay, while I'm waiting for them to get here, I have to tell you guys.
Come out there for you.
Oh, okay. Soda Night number 20 is coming very soon.
Inside now.
I think we have all the clips, but I'm not sure. We could use more. So expect that to be uploaded in about a week, I'd say. Because I do other stuff than do YouTube. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let's see if the mic worked. Let's see if the audio, or not the audio.
Everyone ready for this?
Just see if everything worked. Just to see if everything looks good and would be great for Soda Night number 20. Alright.
What do you know? We're gonna make it.